started. Okay, so first up, I have this toy where it's Hot Wheels. It's called the Bank Roller. And then, if you open the vault, it comes out with a car too. And only small toys can fit in that. Now we're going to be having a war. Hulk, Iron Bot, and whoever wins gets this money car. So ready, set, go. Hulk won the tournament. So now Hulk gets all the money. This is his truck now. And he's smashing it. Now there's some cracks. But he can still keep it. And now I'm going to show you a tour of my room. And I'll still make the video. Okay, so here we have my painting. Here we got my minions hanging on the wall. And then here's all my stuff that I use for making drawings, doing my homework, having for my birthday and all that. Toys, and then this is my desk.
Nice. You have a laptop?
This is my bed.
You sleep here?
Yeah. So, and this is my closet. Those are all my toys up there on top.
Whoa, so many toys, huh?
And then this is my bucket full of toys too.
Whoa.
And this is my whiteboard. And then, whenever I want to play Ludo, I can roll this dice
Whoa.
and land it on a floor. So I go 4 steps. Now I have to show you very cool something. I'll get my Infinity Gauntlet.
No! You can't kill me!
Now,
What is that? Whoa.
look at that.
Oh my goodness. Oh no, 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 no. Don't kill me, don't kill me. Oh. You have to be careful.